Subtext takes the best of your teaching and gives you the tools to do it collaboratively, creatively, and with support. First, you can add books or articles to your library. Tap here to add books or articles. I'm going to search for free web articles, and I'm actually going to search for an article from Newsela. I do a search for Newsela right in the Subtext app. Now I have pulled up Newsela, and I'm going to click on it and choose an article. When I get to Newsela, I can choose the article that appeals to me most, and I can do it in the level that is most appropriate for the group that I'll make with my kids. Once I find the article that I'd like to do, I click here, Save to Subtext, for it to be sent right into the Subtext app. I click Add to Library, and it saves the article in a stripped down form right to my Subtext app. If you want to save this article to a particular reading group that you have, you just click Add to Group, and I'm going to add it to my sample group reading. You can see that the article that I selected is now right here in my library. You can also see over here I have different groups, and you can, using the plus sign here, you can create different reading groups for your class. In my sample group here, I can open up the article, and teachers can leave notes for students right in the pages of any text. Notes can range from a simple question like, what do you think the author is trying to tell us here, to a more involved assignment that incorporates web content or multimedia. Subtext allows you to add into the reading videos and images that help students visualize the text. The Common Core standards ask that teachers add visuals to text, and Subtext makes this easy to accomplish. It can also link essential background knowledge for the understanding of a text. Here's a sample of adding a video that can help create background knowledge for the students. Since this is an article about playing squash, some students might not know what that is. So I've embedded a link here to watch an embedded video. If I click on the link, it opens up a video that gives a short demonstration of how to play squash. Students can also have discussions within a text. Teachers can leave notes about questions, predictions, conclusion, or comprehension questions, and then students can respond to the text by really close reading. You can also have students leave notes for each other. A great way to do this is to have each student leave one note in a chapter and reply to at least one of their classmates' notes in the same chapter. This is an easy way to get started and typically spurs some great classroom conversation. Close readers can also use the highlighter tool. They can study the structure of the text by looking at the text as a writer would. A close reader can analyze text by focusing on craft and technique like imagery, word choice, tone and voice, or sentence structure. The Subtext app is a powerful tool for creating classroom conversations and really close reading. Happy reading!